Yeah. That's wild one. Anyway. Alright guys, hey, how you doing? Scott here with Jant's Road Tripping. Hey, I have decided to do a mini split on our new rig. I deleted the old air conditioner, the factory. I cut a 24 by 24 inch hole in my roof, my ceiling, mounted the cassette on there, and I'll show some video of that. But right now what I'm doing is I'm building a platform for the outside unit of the mini split. So let me show you what I got going on here. Okay, as you guys all know, I bought a Harbor Freight trailer and it was 8 foot by 4 foot. I only need 4 foot by 4 foot, so I took the other 4 foot, and what I'm doing here is I have drilled onto my frame right here. I drilled some holes, 2 of them there, and then, you know, I cut this was a frame rail for the side of the trailer, and it's stout. So I bolted it to my frame here, and then to drop it down to miss this here, my end cap, I just took what was left of the 2 pieces I cut, and I'll bring that out, and then I got some other pieces here on the ground that I can extend it with, and then I've got to do that side over there. I think the side up here is where the frame rail is, so I think I'll be doing okay. If you guys have any other suggestions, let me know, because that's what I got. And then so from the back here, it'll go from this point, oh, and I'm gonna say it's probably about this point here, right about where I got that frame rail sitting. And then obviously I don't have enough there, but I do have an extra one here that I can cut and splice the 2 together and weld them. I do have a welder, and I think I know how to weld. I'm not sure though. I've only been doing it my whole freaking life. Anyway, yeah, I think that's what we got going on, and I think you guys are gonna like it. But let me show you this here. That's my my custom lid I'm making for my AC. So let me take you back here just a hair, and there's my dump rig for the camp. Once I get to Yuma this week, coming up this week, I'm gonna get the plywood for it. They're gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be cool. But anyway, if you can see right there, boop boop, there's my little piggy tail, and my mini split got the yurt here. Anyway, you see that 2x6 right up there? I did a 2x6 enclosure for that thing, but I'll show you more as I start to hook it up, because I haven't evacuated it or anything yet. I got the lines hooked in up on top. Once I finish this platform, get my plywood and everything, because that'll be for my generator or whatever I want to put. I don't have a generator right now, but I will. Anyway, I'm gonna get this finished up. I'll just kind of record it as I go, and we'll see what happens. There it is, guys. Hey guys, I was just sitting here taking a break from my AC install, mainly because I got to go to Yuma and get a couple things, or maybe have to, I don't know. Anyway, I was just sitting here in my chair rocking back and forth, and I got to show you guys something. Look how beautiful that is. All right, you guys. Hey, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, back with you now. So I've got this one done, I've got this one done. Basically I went and did the same thing. I gotta find my tripod, guys. Anyways, I did the same thing here. I bolted it to the frame. I hung the frame, right? So yeah, it's gonna be a pretty cool deal. Anyways, you guys, we'll be building this back piece here. I think this is going to be far enough. I don't know yet. I got to check it out. But we'll put a piece across here and do some centers. Get my plywood and build it real nice. Go from there. Y'all like it? I'll let you know when I get going more on it. All right, guys. I am going to do a little bit more work on my AC mount for the bottom of my rig here. I got this one put in and bolted up. I got that one there put in, bolted up. I'm gonna cut a couple pieces here that I got laid out right here, and we're gonna see. I'm gonna try to make something happen. So hang on tight here for just 1 minute. And go over here and pop this baby in here, and let's check out what we got going on in here. Get that out the way here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut off these ends because I'm going to end up welding this stuff together, make it look nice, 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 nice. So we'll just slip it in here, put this in here, get it a little bit straight there. I want to come just to the end of that baby right there. That's where we want to go, right to the end there. Okay, and then we'll lock this thing down and get rolling. And all I wanted to do is just zip that end right off there. And what that allows is I have a nice straight cut here for my, when I put on my ends and weld it all together. It'll be nice and fresh. Lock it down. Make sure you lock it down. And you want to do your safety glasses. All right, here we go. Once again, we're just skimming it right on the edge. Now I have one perfect beam. Once I get this done, I can weld these all together, but I'll show you here in just a minute. We got one more to cut. Right about there, I think we're good. Lock it down. I should have left that other one back here where I had it. Put this one back here. Mark that up there, and we're good to go. My foot! Watch out for the foot! Alright, here we go. One more cut here. And I say we should be looking good, man. Ooh, Chihuahua. Oh, come on, Scotty. It's the last one, buddy. Sometimes I talk to myself, but my wife says that's okay. Here we go. Yeehaw! Oh man, beautiful. All right. Okay. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and once I get these all cleaned up, I've got to clean all this up, all these, you know, the edges, because I got to weld, and you can't weld to the paint. Okay, I'm going to weld these two together, and then I'll get my measurement, trim it off, and then we'll weld this in, and I will then put my cross members in, put my plywood on, and what we'll do, we'll get that plywood put on, and then I'll get the AC out of Shauna's closet, and we'll get it mounted up on here. And at that point, then I can go ahead and take my AC lines from the top down to the bottom condenser unit, get them all evacuated, vacuumed down, and I can release the Freon, and we'll be good to go. Plus, I gotta wire it. I've already got the sub panel already put in. I just have to run my wire back here, and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do all that stuff, and how I did the sub panel for the AC. I did another sub panel for it's pretty neat. I'll show you guys. But anyway, so we're gonna work on that, and then I'll show you guys a little bit of the top. You know, we're gonna go make the cover for that AC on the top, because the original cover, I tried to use that, it wouldn't work. And then I cut it in half and tried to widen it. It still didn't work the way I wanted it to. So I'm making a whole new box lid for that. So anyways, you guys stay tuned. We got some good stuff coming at you.